The way that you do that is in your Seller Central account. You may not be aware of this, but you're able to use emojis in your Seller Central account. And you can just come here. So if you want to, for instance, put, I don't know, the fire emoji at the beginning of your bullet points here. You can put the fire emoji in there. It's a really great idea. It doesn't work for all products. It can be overkill for some. But like for this, for instance, that'd be cool to do that, to put some cute little emojis in there given who it's being aimed at. That's a really cool thing to do. So you can do that. You will need the website emojipedia.org to do that. And typically, they don't do it on here. That's a shame. Typically, all you need to do is copy it from there. And then what I do is I either open a text file or I just go to google.com.au. Go to Google and I paste in the emoji. I hit search. And then I copy the emoji from there. And then what you've done is you've stripped out all of the extraneous information from the image, and that image there, the one I've got highlighted now, you can then use in your Amazon listings. But oftentimes, if you don't go through that little process to strip out all the extraneous HTML from the image, then it won't show up, and it'll show up as something else, usually a question mark or something like that. But doing it that way, it shows up, and that's how you can put an emoji or something similar into your listings on Amazon. Super cool thing to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.